I really enjoy doing this course as you're constantly doing what you love and what you want to do, and if you're not doing practical and actually practicing the treatments, then you're learning about the anatomy and physiology. The lecturers are very warm and welcoming, and they're very kind to you and constantly helping you. They don't judge you, and if you need to ask them a question, they're always open to it. When you're partnered with people, they're always very kind, and it's nice getting to know new people that you've never met before. This course has definitely benefited me academically in the way I'm constantly learning new things, even when you don't realise it, like constantly picking up new skills and techniques, and it's really preparing you for the real world of work, as they tell you what clients want and what they don't want, and there's things that it's very firm about what to do and what not to do. My highlights of Belfast Met so far have definitely been meeting everyone and starting a whole new experience, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone thinking of joining, as not only are all the lecturers really welcoming and everyone who works there great, but there's also a great student support and wellbeing team which will support you all the way.